guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to thread through the bobbing on my Brother A2500. For this tutorial you will need a bobbin and some cotton. So step by step here as well, showing you how to put the bobbin on. You pull this up so you can place the cotton onto it. We put the cotton underneath here and pull it through so it's at the top here, and turn it round to the right and pull it through. The diagram here, as you can see, shows you how it should look. And then pull this through. Here is where you place the bobbin. You will need to place the bobbin on top, it slots on, and then move it to the right so it locks in. If it's kept to the left, then the needle at the bottom will thread through, and moving it that way, when pressing the footer, it will thread. We thread the cotton on the top hole of the bobbin. Once that's done, I will tend to hold this up and then you press on the footer. And as you can see, it's naturally winding up. Once that's done, I just snip that off and then continue so I can get more on the bobbin. It will stop once it's done. Make sure you move it to the left before you pull it off, because when you pull it to the right it has this little safety clip that doesn't move. Then you can cut. Here we have the cotton threaded onto the bobbin. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and stay tuned in to watch more tutorials.